Good afternoon traders, and welcome to today's Platinum Trading Academy video. My name is Aaron Uppel. I'm one of the senior traders here at Platinum, and today I'm going to show you a mixture of a few trades but also some predictions that came into play. Now, the first prediction that I want to take you guys through today, now I'm sure that you're aware, if you're watching this video, and you will be, that the stock markets have essentially crashed over the last few days. Down 7% one day, down 4.5% the other. These are some of the biggest falls that we've seen in the stock markets for a long time. So Platinum actually put out a prediction on the 16th of January in regards to our unsustainable blog that we featured on our blog page. So the way to get to our blog page, you go on platinumtradingacademy.com, just click on Forex Blog just at the top here, and it'll bring you to our blog page. Now, this is one of the blogs that are published on the 16th of January. You can see your introduction to unsustainable, how to trade a market crash. So in this particular blog, it was discussing about obviously the current bull run at the time that was on the Dow, and when this bull run is essentially going to reverse. We can sort of gave all the predictions of why there might be a market crash coming up shortly. Just a few pointers here. Like we said, in the words of some of the finest economists, 94 million Americans are now out of labour force, 1 in 5 people are in the prime working years are out of work, worst financial recovery in 65 years. So just a few points. Then we discussed a little bit about Warren Buffett, as you know, one of the smartest investors the world has ever seen. Talking a little bit about how he's waiting for a pullback. Banks and investors, top 5 signs, talking about previous market crashes. So all this we discussed, and we sort of put it out there that most likely in the near future there is going to be some sort of market crash, and lo and behold, in the last 3 days there has been sort of the biggest crash we've seen in the last few decades. Now you can quite clearly see the date it was published. All we've got to do is go to Forex Blog in order to see that. We can see January 16th, 2018, so you can see it's well prior to the crash actually happening, so giving our clients the correct sentiment before it happened. Then not only that, there's another blog that I want to discuss with you, which is our FOMC. Now you can see it says here, trade the FOMC minutes with our news trading strategy. So if we click on that blog, that was published obviously the week before the FOMC came out. These are some predictions that we had made in regards to the FOMC, and some entries, some targets and so on that we were looking for based on the results of the FOMC. If it had hit these levels, and these are levels we'd be looking to trade. Now we can quite clearly see the levels that are published. I mean, you can go to this blog, it's for public viewing, so you're more than welcome to go on there, view the information and view the amount of pips we were looking for. Now the result of these predictions on these particular currency pairs for the FOMC goes a little bit like this. So I'm going to show you the results page just here. So this is the results with screenshots of the trades. So for example, you can see in here, if I just click back there, you can see just here, you see the screenshots for all the trades, the number of pips in profit that the trades were when we screenshotted that. In total coming to about 622 pips in value in terms of profit. So an absolutely fantastic profit there made on the FOMC. Not only that, we actually held a live FOMC webinar at the time with our elite traders in order for them to trade it live with the traders here at Platinum. So that's number one, a fantastic sentiment given now knowing the recent market crash we've just had, given 2-3 weeks ago, and obviously the FOMC predictions that we gave, netting well over 600 pips profit there. So at the end of the day, 600 pips profit, you're just trading at say £10 a point. You're looking at over 6 grand of profit. So it's a fantastic amount of profit being made literally from one news event. So if you're interested in what you've seen here, and you're saying this Platinum guys look like they know what they're talking about, then we're actually providing completely free consultations for anyone who wants to view the analysis that we publish, who wants to have a look at the system that we use, who wants to speak to a trader and find out about our trading style and our methodology. Then it's actually really simple. All you've got to do, go to the Platinum Trading Academy .com website. It will look a little bit like this. Click on the top right hand corner, request a consultation, and what you'll see is her name, email, phone number, and then that will obviously book a consultation in. And if you just make sure you've got your phone nearby you, one of our account managers will get in touch with you. If you do get a missed call, please just give them a call back, or we'll pop you an email over. But other than that, I just want to say thank you very much for watching today's video and finding out a little bit about how our analysis is published and how it's done. And like I said, if you are interested, please just get in touch. But other than that, hope you all have a wonderful week. Thank you.